Okay, so welcome everyone to our second Google Hangout on air. All right, so check the recording. This is number 2, where we're each supposed to present a problem or type of problem that we're struggling with. Okay. Just let me know when you're ready. Okay. So are there any problems or type of problems that you've been struggling with? To my math lab formatting. Yeah, I think I've been having some trouble with finding everything too. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get this figured out. Okay. Let me show up as overdue. Okay. So if you want to go to the Math 110 page, like the home page where it shows all the announcements, and then click on those. Click on the little 3 bars button to pull out the little sidebar, and then click on Content. And then scroll down to the My Math Lab tab, and just click on that tab. Okay. So are you just having trouble finding where the assignments are before they're overdue? I don't think I've opened any of these. It looks like this. It looks like this is optional. I think it's look optional. Well, this says recommended. Yeah, so they're just optional. Mm-hmm. It doesn't look like we're required to do any of this. Let me look at the syllabus, see if it's there. Go to the page. Yeah, so the assignments are like part of our grade. It's like our homework, right?
Yeah, so I don't think, yeah, and it'll become homework later. And it's not, I don't know. Does it show up and tell you that you have to do it on your, like...
No, there are no reminders.
Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. Yes.
A little bit.
So,
as far as I can tell, the only requirements, like the mandatory assignments, are going to show up in like the assignments tab for my math lab, and these online group meetings. I think those are the only things that we have to do. I haven't found anything else.
Kind of looks like you have to remember to do my math lab. Like, I'm not going to tell you you have to do it.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Which is dumb.
Yeah, it would be nice if there was a reminder, but that's what it looks like.
I want to see if you can figure it out.
All right. Are there any other questions that you have? Cool. Did you get the prep lab done for this meeting? Okay. How far did you get?
How's my teacher?
Oh,
yeah. That's what I had. Yeah. That's probably what this was. It's probably square root.
You told me to do linear because it was easier.
I know. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I ruined it for you.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. So how far did you get into the pendulum lab? Okay. Let's see. It wants us to discuss the lab in the fact sheet. So let's go over Yeah, let's go over, I don't know, maybe the questions that you didn't get to yet, or if there were any that you were kind of like unsure about. Okay. So let me know when you're ready. When did dumb chocolate turn into the sauce packets from Taco Bell?
I love when the shoes go together. I apologize, why not?
No worries, just let me know when you're ready. All right. I will continue solo for a little bit then. All right. All right, so we have this extension problem. Yeah, probably. All right, we have this extension problem. You want to be in my group? You can be in my group. Okay. That was from yesterday. Okay, so we need to find a quadratic equation from this video. Let's get the path of the pumpkin. That kind of spoils the near miss. That kind of spoils that's kind of the answer. I'm gonna take a stab in the dark so he doesn't hit him. Pause this from jumping ahead. Welcome back. Mm-hmm. Did you find the thing? The lab paper? It's going to be in week 3 under due date 1. No, from content, you're going to want to go down to week 3. Click on due date 1, week 3, due date 1. And then click on week 3, lesson 1, preparation.
Just completed.
Did you find it yet? Okay, cool. So I did the wrong one. Okay, yeah. That makes more sense.
Today.
Okay. Was there anything that you got stuck on in the preparation? Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Okay. I did the wrong one, apparently. All right, let's see. So it wants us to do an extension problem where we find out if the pumpkin hits the guy. So if you go to the instructions for the Google Hangout on Air, it'll have the link to the video. Let's see. We'll collect the data points and find the equation of the function. And then we'll come back and we'll discuss the equations that we found. How's that sound? For lesson 1. Okay. All right. Hold up a second. Okay. So the reason I did the wrong one. So it says here that it's the lesson 2 that's due today. So I think it is lesson 2 that we're supposed to be on, the pendulum one. Yeah, I think we missed. Yeah, we missed the first one. Yeah. So yeah, let's do this one, the one that we're supposed to be doing. Okay. Did you get a chance to get to the pendulum lab? Okay. Okay. So the extension problem that we're okay. So what we're supposed to be working on is this big swing problem. So yeah, since you didn't get to it, I'll just kind of share what I got for the equation, so we can get the problem done. All right. So I didn't use a square root function. I used a linear function, but it seemed to work relatively okay for this. And so the equation that I got from my points was y equals 0.1263x plus 6.945. Did you get that? Okay.
That's not a square root function. What the?
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I bet. Let's see. Do you want to get the pendulum lab report done, and then check your answers with the answer key that they provided in the instructions for the Google Hangout, and text me and let me know when you finish that. I mean, it took me like 10, 15 minutes to do. It doesn't take super long. All right. Cool. All right. I'll text Darian, have him do the same thing, and then we'll just kind of write everyone up for full participation. I know we had a lot of scheduling problems this week, and can you also text me your work schedule for this next coming week, just like when you know you've got like an hour free one day, hour free another day, and just like whenever you're free, and we'll try and get something where all three of us can get on and get this done. Cool. All right. Well, I think that's gonna do it for now. Thanks for making the time. Cool. All right. Bye.